Second RJ rotation guys.
Check the timer, please.
55
drop
seconds.
Kay Ibon, drop kay Jeffrey.
Ay, Pagar.
50 seconds.
Drop kay Faye yung yung Shadow Caller.
40 seconds.
Kaya to. Wag nang i-cycle.
30 seconds.
Kaya.
Walang rotation. Jacket.
No rotation na to.
Second RJ.
Basta
19 seconds.
Keep dropping heal. Full damage guys, full damage. No rotation.
Ayun na, patay na. Tangin na mo.
Ay, salamat.
Yay!
Blue.
Three point
3.6.
Uy, wala pa ring offhand.